How to make digital signature in mobile. If you want to create a digital signature using your mobile phone, the process is very easy and completely free. First, take a white paper and write your signature clearly using a black pen. Try to make it smooth and professional because this will be your final digital signature style. After that, take a clear photo of your signature using your mobile camera. Make sure the lighting is good, there are no shadows, and the image is sharp and visible. After that, open your Android phone and launch the Chrome browser. In the search bar, type BG Remover Online Free, or simply go to a trusted website like remove.bg. When the site opens, tap on the Upload Image button and select your signature photo from your gallery. Once you upload the image, the tool will automatically remove the white background in a few seconds. Wait until the process is complete, then carefully check the result to make sure only your signature is visible and the background is fully transparent. If it looks correct, tap on the Download button and save it as a PNG file on your Android device. After downloading, your digital signature is ready to use. You can add it to PDFs, documents, emails, or any online forms directly from your mobile. In this simple way, you can create a professional digital signature on your mobile without any paid tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.